Welcome to Happy Place Creations, and thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to share this enchanting hummingbird tray project, so let's dive into the details. Now I will begin by adding a splash of color to our hummingbird tray using a name brand mica powder that I can't pronounce, so I will put that name up on the screen. Watch as I apply these vibrant shades. 2 beautiful purples, a deep blue, a lovely green, a soft pink, and a shimmering gold. These colors will blend beautifully, creating a stunning effect to our mold. Now I'm using a 3D golden dimensional stylus marker to outline our vibrant hummingbird, giving it a stunning, elegant touch. Now that our resin is perfectly mixed, thanks to Resiner's resin mixer and the bubble-free with Let's Resin Bubble Remover, it's time to add some sparkle. I'm adding glitter to the resin to give our hummingbird tray a dazzling finish. Watch as the magic unfolds with each mix. here I am now, just making sure my mold is clean. I'm just cleaning it up with a little bit of masking tape, getting rid of any hair or dust particles or anything that may have been left behind, putting on the mica powder so that it will have a clean area for our resin. I am going to be mixing up some opal glitter and adding some green glitter to the opal for the bottom part of the tray. And then I'm going to be adding some blue chunky glitter to the top for the to act as the sky. So what my goal is the green is like the bottom for the grass and the top is blue for like the sky. As I am mixing these resins, I will be adding just a little bit of glue because the glitter that I'm using is very heavy and I don't want it to all sink. I want it to stay suspended, and the glue actually helps with that. I'm sure you see me do that a lot on this channel, and what it is it's 1 drop per ounce. And now it's time to add the opal to the very back layer to cover the back of the tray. Now I'm adding just the opal glitter with no other additives to cover the very back of the tray. By using the opal with the green and with the blue, it ties in the opal throughout the tray, so it all becomes united. Here's the best time of all, the demold time. Here I am removing our project from the mold, going corner to corner, and then I'm going to lightly sand our edges just to get rid of the sharp edges that we have. And here is our tray so far. I think it is turning out amazing, but I still have a few more things I want to add, so stay tuned. There's more to come. And now I'm adding our bottom sticker. It has some flowers and grass and some butterflies. I thought this would look good with the hummingbird. Now that I have applied the sticker, you want to make sure you press it down really good and make sure all the air bubbles are out from underneath it, or it will lift up and the resin will get under it and you will not be able to fix it after that point. And here's our bottom sticker and how that came out, but I'm not done yet. Now the tray looked to me like it still needed to have something else, so I decided to add a flower up by the top of the hummingbird, so it looks like the hummingbird is flying up to the flower. And then I also decided he needed like a companion, so I'm going to be adding a butterfly down behind the bird. And once again, you do want to make sure that you get all the air out of underneath those stickers. Rub them really good. And again, I have our resin all mixed up the same way as I did the first set of resin. And this resin, I'm adding just a bit of my crushed crystal, just to give it a little bit of sparkle. although the opal does give it some sparkle, but this is a top coat, so I just want to have a little bit of sparkle on the top. And now that I have dumped the top coat to seal in the decorations, the stickers, I'm going to go around the edge and make sure I have no bubbles, and make sure that my resin is to all four corners, to the edges, and that it's spread out evenly. And stay to the end to see final pictures.